Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The camshaft is the precision conductor of a ship's engine, ensuring that fuel injection and exhaust valves operate in perfect harmony, and at the center of this coordination are the camshaft bearings. These bearings must withstand constant cyclic loads and high temperatures while maintaining a thin film of oil to prevent metal-on-metal contact. Overhauling these components is a meticulous task that requires surgical precision and a deep understanding of engine tolerances to ensure the longevity of the propulsion system. The process begins with the critical task of securing the engine by engaging the turning gear and locking out the starting air and fuel systems to create a safe working environment. Once the camshaft housing covers are removed, the first step is to measure the existing bearing clearances using long feeler gauges or a dial indicator to assess the degree of wear. We are looking for any deviation from the manufacturer's original specifications, which could lead to vibration or a drop in lubricating oil pressure. To access the bearing shells, the upper bearing caps must be carefully lifted using specialized hydraulic tools or overhead chain blocks, being extremely cautious not to damage the highly polished surface of the camshaft itself. Once the shells are exposed, we perform a detailed visual inspection of the white metal lining, looking for signs of fatigue, cracks, wiping, or embedded particles that could score the shaft. Any discoloration, such as a dull gray or black appearance, might indicate that the bearing has been running too hot due to a restricted oil supply. The journals on the camshaft are also inspected for smoothness, and we use a micrometer to check for any ovality or taper that may have developed over thousands of running hours. Before installing new bearing shells, we must ensure that the bearing housings are perfectly clean and free from any burrs that could prevent the shells from seating correctly. The new shells are then lightly lubricated with clean engine oil and carefully rolled into position, ensuring that the oil holes are perfectly aligned with the supply passages in the block. After the bearing caps are replaced and the bolts are tightened to the specific hydraulic pressure, we perform a final clearance check to verify that the assembly is within the required tolerances. We also verify the flow of lubricating oil through the system, ensuring that a steady stream reaches every bearing before the engine is returned to service. A well-executed overhaul prevents the catastrophic consequences of a seized camshaft, which would bring the entire vessel to a standstill. By maintaining these bearings with such high standards, we ensure the engine remains responsive and efficient for the long journey ahead across the global shipping lanes. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.